Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University, and per request, I'm going to tab out Money by Pink Floyd on the bass guitar. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, to get started, go over here to MuseScore, click on that. Under Instruments, type Bass Guitar, click on Tablature, click on the arrow, go down to Next. We'll name this. Click Done. Hold Shift, select all of that, and delete that. Hold Control, put this in position, move things around. And now we can set up our instrument. So go up here to Instruments, click on the little play button here, go over to the tool icon, come down to create a linked staff, go back to the tool icon, go to staff type, and select standard. Now we'll have our bass clef. Let's go up to this toolbar under tablature, and let's change this to simple. And now we'll have our tabs. To bring these two closer together, that's pretty easy. Click there, go up to palettes, go down to layout, click on this right here. Click on that, click here, drag it up, and now we're good to go and ready to start tabbing. After playing the song, I wrote the tabs down, but of course these are in quarter notes and the song isn't all quarter notes, but that's how the tabs look. But now we need to go and create this from scratch and change the measures and things like that. I'm not an expert at this by any means, but I can press N as in Nancy or click up here to start my notation. It starts here in a quarter note. And the first one is a 2. Use the arrow key. Now I'm just playing around with different measures here and durations. Eighth notes, quarter notes. And you want to choose whether it's an 18th note or a quarter note before you go down and start putting the notation, putting the tabulation in. But I'm just walking that song out. So that's more like it. The rest has to go. Click on here and delete this. Press Control, Command, Delete. So we'll play around with this, but this is how tabulation will work if you're trying to tab out a song. I'm just going to copy, Control C and Control V and paste. Now I want to change the tempo. If I do a Google search, I'll see that the tempo is 126 or the beats per minute. So go up here to palettes, go down to tempo, and I can insert that. And that's not perfect, but I can make changes in this in Davinci Resolve if I wanted to do a video, some kind of how-to video. If I jump over to Davinci Resolve, I'll bring that in, then of course I'll crop it, and I'll bring in me playing that song. And I'll format that. I'll bring in a photograph from pexels.com. I'll stop it there, move this over, get it synced. And I can do a better job at that, but you can see it's not very difficult to do this. So if you're trying to create bass tabs, this is the easy way to do it. So that's how you use MuseScore 4 with Davinci Resolve 19. And check out my bass guitar playlist. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until we meet again, have a great day. Peace.